Hi, it's Miss Heather here at
Hi.
Conservatory of the Ozarks. And here's...
Berniece.
So, I'm going to just do a little tutorial for Bernice so she can have help practicing simple gifts when she gets home. So, here's just the melody. 'Tis a gift to be simple, 'tis a gift to be free, 'tis a gift to come down where we ought to be. And when we find ourselves in the place just right, 'twill be in the valley of love and delight. When true simplicity is gained, to bow and to bend we shan't be ashamed. To turn will be our delight, till by turning we come around right. I sing these notes a little differently than what's written, that's why I kind of... 'Twill be in the valley of love and delight is how I sing it. They have 'twill be in the valley of love and delight. I've never heard it like that before, so
No,
I wouldn't sing it that way.
I sing it like you sing it,
Yeah.
so I don't know that will matter.
Yeah, I wouldn't sing it that way. I think it sounds funny.
It sounds...
So here's the chord progression. We could just do the last two measures for the introduction for now.